The war with Iran continues to impact energy prices globally, while here in the U.S., Americans keep seeing prices rising at the pump. According to Gas Buddy, the national average price for a gallon of regular gas is now up to $3.59 a gallon. This is a 62-cent jump from February 28th, when the U.S. began its military operation in Iran. For more on this, Patrick Haan joins us. He's the head of petroleum analysis for Gas Buddy. Patrick, good to see you. The International Energy Agency announced today it will release 400 million barrels of oil from its strategic reserves. This is the largest release in its history, but you write on X that it's not the size of the release, but the rate that matters. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, absolutely. While it may sound like a staggering release, really what the market is looking for is to offset the 20 million barrels a day of oil that would be flowing through the Strait of Hormuz. And that 400 million barrels sounds significant, but if the rate of release is only 1 to 2 million barrels a day, we're still at a significant deficit in a market that's hungry for crude oil.
And the price of crude oil in the U.S. has gone back down after reaching nearly $120 a barrel during major fluctuations on Monday. It's now around $85 a barrel. What is the reason for the volatility, and how long will crude oil prices need to be stabilized before people feel release at gas pumps?
Well, it certainly is the instability that's driving oil prices as we digest various headlines on what could or couldn't be to come. As we navigate attacks, as we navigate responses to attacks, oil markets are left to balance the risk. Has the risk gone up? Is it going down? And that's why we're seeing oil prices swing very violently. For gasoline prices to cool off, we'd likely need oil prices to slow down, trade within a 1 to 2% range on a daily basis. For now, the violent upswings and downswings is making it very difficult to know exactly what is going to be next for Americans at the gas pump.
I got to be quick with you, but I want to ask you about the Strait of Hormuz because many have been critical of President Trump's proposed solution, using a little-known government agency to insure ships. Some experts say it's not enough insurance. Some Democrats say this is only going to help China because I think we only get about 7% of our oil from ships that pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Will this insurance make a meaningful difference in getting ships across?
Well, we've seen this offer on the table now for several days, in addition to potential military escorts through the Strait of Hormuz. And a lot of it simply appears to be lip service. That is, ships still holding at anchor, very, very unsure whether traversing through the strait is the best idea, as the risk of attacks on vessels by Iran continues to be persistent and raising the risk.
Patrick Haan, always good to talk to you. Thank you.
Thank you.